Let me show you on this video how to integrate AWeber with Jotform Workflows. So follow me to my desktop right now. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Jotform. On this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate AWeber with your Jotform workflows. That way you can trigger automatically the workflow to send over those details to AWeber. So it's going to be super easy and practical. Let's get started. This is my main workspace, and to view your workflows, go ahead and click on this top menu and go to My Workflows. This will display only workflows that you want to view. In this case, I'm going to use this one, which is a lead qualification workflow template. Let's go ahead and edit this template right here. And the idea here is that someone is submitting the form and it's going to be a lead qualification form. So what we're going to do in one of these steps is send it over to AWeber once it's been approved. So if it's denied, we don't add that to AWeber. But if it's approved, we can send those details over there. And it's a hypothetical use case that you can use. All right, to integrate, let's go ahead on over to integrations. Let's go ahead and search for AWeber. It's right here. Let's drag it inside of here. And we are gonna move this a bit down here because we're gonna add it right in between right here. So let's go ahead and remove this connection and let's connect again. Okay, so now it's gonna go through AWeber when it continues the workflow. Okay, so now let's go into complete settings. Let's go ahead and integrate right now with AWeber. And to integrate, you'll need to log into your AWeber account. In this case, here's my details. I'm going to allow access and we're going to be good to go to integrate and send over those details. Okay, here we go. Next thing we need to do is select the list that we want to send over those details to. In this case, I'm going to send it over to my list. Be aware that in your AWeber account, you can have several lists. Just go ahead and select the list that you want to send over those details to. For example, if you have a list that is for lead qualification, then send it over there. Okay, now we need to match the fields so it sends those details over there. So email is going to be matching the email, and there's more details here. For example, the name will match the full name, and tags will match, for example, the industry. I'm going to use the industry as a tag in this case, and I have the option to update existing contact. That means that if we have the same contact, but it has updated details, it's going to update it automatically. So let's go ahead and save this right now and let's go ahead and test it out. So let's go ahead and preview. Let's start and run this. It's going to fill out the details with demo data. Here we go. Let me go ahead and update this address to my address just for testing purposes. And let's go ahead and submit. Now, once we submit, it's going to go through the process of the approver. In this case, if it's approved, it's going to send over details to AWeber. And if it's not going to send over those details. Here we go. Let's go and continue. And here we go. It now sent the details to AWeber. Let's go over here. Let's go into our subscribers. And here it is with the Avery Mitchell name that we got from the demo testing fail form. Okay, so it's super easy and practical to integrate workflows with AWeber to send over the details. So you can have different use cases for your purpose to send over the contacts to AWeber. So I hope you like this video. It's super easy to integrate. So please let me know here in the comments what you think about the available option to integrate and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.